What if we told you that we had one little tool that can help sculpt your face to give you an all-natural contour, reduce stretch marks, and tighten saggy skin and cellulite? No, it's not magic, it's Gua Sha. You've probably already heard about this tiny but effective massager, but if you thought all it could be used for is a simple facial massage, you're in for a treat. Looking for that Kim Kardashian contour but still haven't been able to master it with makeup? The natural version is so much better. First things first, you need to oil up your skin so that you can glide your Gua Sha smoothly over the surface. If you skip this, it will end up tugging at your skin and may cause bruises or even burst capillaries. Once your skin is well oiled, you can grab your jade Gua Sha and start working in smooth motions starting at your neck and moving upwards. A few key tips are to hold your skin tight, don't apply too much pressure, and then do a little wiggle at the end of your stroke to help with lymphatic drainage. Keep rotating your Gua Sha to find the edge that works best for that area of your face and continue upwards onto your jawline, cheekbones, nose, under eyes and forehead. Do this for at least 5 minutes in repetitive motions and we'll guarantee you'll see an instant glow and lift. If you're looking for a great facial oil and a really good quality Gua Sha, we've got you. We've put together a super special limited edition festive kit that has a full-size bottle of our ultra-light Dream Skin oil, an incredible jade Gua Sha that's super high quality, and a soft towel along with one other Glamrs product that you get to choose. So you can treat yourself to the festive glow up you deserve. We know stretch marks are normal and most people have them. But we also know not a lot can help reduce them if you want to, which is why this tip is amazing. Grab your favorite body oil, apply a generous amount onto areas where you have stretch marks, and get to work with your Gua Sha, massaging it in smooth upward strokes. Following this religiously for a few months will make your skin more elastic and is one of the few ways you can actually reduce the appearance of stretch marks. People who have gone through recent weight loss and new moms swear by this method to help tighten their loose skin and cellulite bumps. You probably guessed it, all you need is your magic Gua Sha. Follow the same technique of covering your body in oil and using the Gua Sha to make strokes going in one direction. You can do this wherever you need to, whether it's on your stomach, thighs, butt, arms, or anywhere else. So, what are you waiting for? Do you really need another reason to try this? If you don't already have the tools you need, make sure to check out our festive skin kit to get it all. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.